Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Measure dry ingredients precisely. Combine 1 cup oat flour, 1/2 cup protein powder, 1/4 cup sugar substitute, and 1 tsp baking powder in a bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk 1/2 cup milk, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoon oil, and 1 tsp vanilla until smooth and slightly frothy. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F. Grease a 9-inch round pan or line it with parchment. Sift dry ingredients into wet, then fold gently to avoid overmixing and to maintain a tender crumb. Fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture until just combined. Overmixing creates a dense, tough texture when using protein powder. Pour batter into the prepared 9-inch pan and smooth the top with a spatula. Bake at 350 degrees F for 18 to 22 minutes. Check at 18 minutes with a toothpick. If it comes out with moist crumbs, it is done. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer to a rack to cool completely to set the crumb. Make a simple frosting by blending 4 Oz cream cheese with 2 tablespoon honey and 1 tablespoon milk until smooth. Spread when cake is fully cool. For a chocolate cake, add 1/4 cup cocoa powder to the frosting or fold 1/2 cup mashed banana into the batter for a banana variation. You can also mix in 1/4 cup chopped nuts or 2 tablespoon chia seeds for texture. Store the finished cake covered at room temperature for 24 hours or refrigerated up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.